Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 224003 on your Windows while you are watching videos. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type Chrome. Under the best match, open it to open the Google Chrome browser. Now here you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you have to select extensions, manage extensions. So here is you need to simply disable all the extensions that is unnecessary or which you are not using, or you can completely remove these extensions by clicking on this remove button. Now for the next method, click on the three dots once again. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Scroll down and you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Then here you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced, time range, change that to all time. Browsing history check, download history check, cookies and other site data check, cached images and files check. Site settings checked, hosted app data checked. Finally, click on delete data. Now, still in the options on the left pane, you have to simply click on the system. Then here you'll find this option, use graphics acceleration when available. Simply disable it, click on relaunch. And once done, just simply close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.